Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat zombie. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a cat zombie. Here's its leg. And this is another one. The cat is stepping forward. Here's its eyes. And this is its mouth. It has some zombie tooth. And it has big mouth. Here's its mustache. And I'm drawing its hand. It has sharp nails in its hand. And I'm drawing its eyebrows. Here's its long tail. My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my cyan pen. In its body, I'm using my orange highlighter pen. In its tooth, I'm using my yellow pen. Inside its mouth, I'm using my purple pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.